Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI assistance meta platform, which is Sembly and Firefly. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms to help you decide which of these would be a better option for you to automate your meeting. So to get started with a quick analysis, Sembly in 2025 is a strong meeting assistance for teams that need advanced transcription, smart summaries, and automated action items. It supports over 60 to 40 languages, offer a speak identification, and integrate with tools like Trello, Slack, and HubSpot. Sembly also stand out with its AI-generated meeting summaries and business document creation, which help items stay organized and turn conversations into a structured output. However, its free plan has times limit and it may take a bit of learning to get the most out of it. Now, talking about Fireflies AI, on the other hand, is built for quick, smart note taking with a focus on sales and productivity. It delivers real-time transcription, searchable meetings notes, and easy CRM integration. Its AI assistants help extract keys, insight, and even offer a sentiment analysis. Fireflies is fastest to get started with and work great for fast-moving teams, though its summaries and actions tracking are more basic compared to Sembly. And here's a very conclusion about these two platforms. So it shows Assembly for details, meetings, breakdown, and a structured task management, and strong integration for teamwork. But you can pick Fireflies AI if you want a simple, effective meetings note tools focus on sales calls, real-time summaries, and a fast insight. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and how they can help you automate your meeting. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.